It is now 11:17. Matt Wintz is here. A beauty of a look. They already put the forecast up.
Yeah.
Couldn't wait for you.
Couldn't wait.
Well, a lot of times my face will break the camera, so let's be honest. I am up here with you. You guys are looking great, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
And I'll tell you, it's been a wonderful day today. Nice to see the sunshine over the course of the last, couple days now. The sunshine's gone away, but the warmth is still going to be with us here over the course of the day tomorrow. And did you guys notice tonight was the first 6 o'clock sunset, 6:01 tomorrow. So we're in the 6 o'clock hour. Lots of good things going on in the forecast. Tomorrow morning for our rush hour, we're dealing with temps in the 50s. So mild start. We'll have some scattered showers and some clouds to start the day. We'll clear things out nicely. It'll be a windy day tomorrow. We've got unseasonably warm conditions. I think 50s by evening. But as we break that down even further, if you've got the kids going to school, this is what it's going to be like when they're on the bus stop tomorrow morning. Look at that, 50s and wind. And by the time they come home, let them loose in the yard. We'll certainly be doing that. Mid-60s, we're making a run at the record, which is 67 degrees, set back in 1954. I think we're going to stand a good chance at that. A little bit of rain out there this evening. This is front number one. If you've been tracking with us since Sunday night, we've been tracking two systems this week. This is number one. This is the not such a big deal. We do have some rain with it. That rain will continue, as I mentioned, through that morning before it finally clears on out. This one has wind energy with it. And the reason why, it's a big, strong area of low pressure. The bulk of the activity up towards the north, they have blizzard conditions up in Minnesota and the Dakotas. But for most of us down here in the warmer sector of this, it's just wind and a little bit of rain. That wind will be with us tomorrow, as I mentioned. We've got wind advisory, especially out for our western counties. But look at all the alerts. This is with the bigger deal, which is system number 2. That doesn't move until Thursday. They're expecting heavy snow from that. Lots of wind down in the desert southwest right now. But again, we've got a little bit of wind to contend with tomorrow. That goes through 4 p.m. is that wind advisory for our western counties. All of us will see some wind tomorrow, though. Again, peak gusts should peak right around 40 miles per hour or so. The strongest winds will be from 8 a.m. till about 1:30 or 2 o'clock before they start to ease back pretty quickly tomorrow evening as that low pulls away. So in terms of system 1, we've got some showers, as I mentioned, tomorrow morning, maybe one final round of showers, 8, 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. And then we clear skies out. It'll still be windy, but we're talking sunshine and temperatures that look like this. And I think you can add a degree or two to this. We're talking mid-60s tomorrow afternoon. Absolutely gorgeous. One thing I want to keep in mind, it's not going to stay mild all the way through the evening like you'd expect. That second system is going to start to pull air in from the north. So look at this. By 7, we're in the 50s, so it's cooler. But by 10 o'clock, we're back down into the 40s, even 39 in Sandusky. So it will turn cooler pretty quickly tomorrow evening, but it will be dry. And that's how tomorrow's going to go. Not too bad. Where do we go from there? System 1 pulls away. We'll start to turn our attention towards this bigger one down towards the south. You notice we get that in-between day. But this will come in with rain that changes over to snow. The track of this low is going to be right over Ohio, and that makes a huge difference whether it goes north or south. So here's Thursday. We start out with rain. It's raw. We're still in the upper 30s to low 40s. Not nice at all to kick off your Thursday. But as we go throughout that day, that low will eventually track towards the north, so we'll have warmer conditions down towards the south, staying cool off towards the north depending on that track. And there is a chance of severe weather, especially down in our warmer communities. I think it'll miss the Cleveland area, but Akron, even Mansfield, will have to keep an eye on it. And then it's just cold behind that with snow expected Thursday night and a Friday. Not a lot of snow systems out of here pretty quickly. We quickly turn around to southwest wind this weekend as we're looking ahead. Quick bounce back in temps. And then, boy, next week looks interesting. Several systems on the models that we'll go through. This is the bigger one we've got our eyes on. Could see some ice and snow from that. Continue to see that in the 10-day forecast. Union Home Mortgage 10-day forecasts. Look at the bump in temps this weekend. Beautiful weekend. And then we deal with that system later next week.